The gross total income of Bharatwaj was a resident in Varanasi in the year 30 for the year 2024, and as per the March 31st, 23 is 15 lakhs is total income. He has contributed 2 lakhs to a clean Ganga fund set up by central government. He has incurred medical expenditure of 50,000 to a surgery for grandmother who's age 85. No premium is paid. Keep the force in insurance as per health. He has donated 2 lakhs in check and 50,000 in cash for political party during the annual conference, which is where he is a member. Repayment of housing loan installment of 5 lakhs during the financial year and the to his employer. Okay. So computing the income. The computation allowed under section Bharatwaj what? Gross total income of 15 lakhs. Okay. ATG contribution, Ganga fund is 2 lakhs, complete 100%. PBD, 80 PBD, surgery to mother is nil. To sorry, grandmother is nil. You'll see the reason. Same 80 GGC donation to public party, only 2 lakhs. Why only 2 lakhs? Donate and check 50,000 cash not eligible. ATC repayment housing loan, no. So total reduction 2 plus 2, 4 lakhs. So gross total income is 11 lakhs. Explain. Contribution towards Clean Ganga fund set up by central governments allowed under the 80G and 100 percentage it is allowed, not 50 percentage. Medical expenditure towards surgery of his grandmother it's not allowed because it is not his mother, it is his grandmother. Only parents are required. Grandparents, it's not like a family. Include family, you can say, but father and mother are only allowed. Medical expenditure 80 DDB is not allowed as per income tax. Donation to political party, cash is not allowed. So cash is not exempt. But up to 2000 if you do, it is allowed. Should see that also. Second, repayment of housing loan as per ATC, deduction respect of repayment of housing loan is allowable if the loan is taken inter alia employer's company, which employer company is a public company or public sector company. Only if it's public company, not only according to the case, no reduction would be allowable to Bharatwaj in respect of repayment of housing loan since the loan is taken from an employer company, private limited. It's not being a public company or private limited company. On the case of a public and company or public sector company, if you take a loan from that, that amount is eligible for reduction. If not, the amount what you get as housing loan will not be allowed as deduction.